And if you look at the CAD, CAD refer to regulation 25. 25 is airworthiness code. So airworthiness code. Why we talk about airworthiness code? Because it is in the cert basis. So we do have CS25 and we also do have the noise. We do have environmental certification requirement. 25, 26, 31, 44, 46. Let's look at what are those items. So we have 25 because we want some of the requirement.
Professor, the display is still the TCDS.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So what is 25, 26, 31, 44, 46? So let's have a look. 25. We talk about adoption of airworthiness code. Okay, that's 25. So what is 26? 26 is certificate of airworthiness.
Okay.
Okay. Just briefly look at what for this CAD. This CAD relate to what? Noise. CAD regarding noise relate to what? 25, 26, 31, 44. What is 31?
CAMO, MRO,
CAAM,
and ATO.
MRO,
ATO.
ATO. Okay. This is 31. CAMO, MRO, ATO. So what is 44, 46? So 44, 46. Just wait for a second. So 44 is noise certificate.
Oh.
No operator shall cause or permit to fly a Malaysian aircraft for international navigation unless operator hold noise certificate issued by the CEO. An application for noise cert under sub-regulation 1 shall be made according with regulation 1 and 9. For the purpose of this regulation, international navigation means any flight which include passage over territory of other state. So, international flight navigation. International navigation. So, what is 46? So, 46. 46 is okay. Noise certificate to be carried. An operator on aircraft which has been issued a noise certificate under Regulation 45 under the law of the state registry shall carry the certificate when in flight. Notwithstanding Regulation 1, in the case of a noise certificate issued under the Regulation 45, if the flight is intended to begin and at the same aerodrome, the certificate may be kept at the aerodrome. So now we clear what is the CAD refer to, what regulation this CAD refers to. Questions? Okay, then what is the content? Applicability of this noise cert. Applicant holder of certificate of awareness issued under 2026. If you are applicant or you hold certificate of awareness, this CAD is applicable. An organization approved to manage continuing awareness, which is CAAM. Operator applying for noise cert under 44.
Noise cert.
Okay. Applicability. Application for issuing noise cert. An application for noise cert shall submit application form, any relevant document to show the aircraft complies with the requirement that are at least equal to the applicable standard specified in the CAD 6 Volume 1 Part 2 as below. Noise issued by the state or design. Noise cert issued by state or design. A statement made in the flight manual or type certificate aircraft type conform the applicable environmental requirement in the CAD 16, which is noise, which is environment, associated with noise data in the flight manual. Supporting document must contain at minimum the following: noise level achieved, noise certification standard, noise cert procedure used, additional and modification enable aircraft to meet the relevant noise cert. Okay, this is the condition, and if we are the DOA, so you shall satisfy 22.2.1 B1. Okay. Any evidence required by CAAM for the consideration of the application. Whenever noise cert standard of aircraft model has attained a more stringent level, an applicant must submit a new application for the noise recertification together with this document. If happen to be, for example, in the past, we have large noise, we have turbojet engine, and then the ACO published the acceptable noise level, you have to install the mod. I think Transman done that. Am I right? The hash kit.
Correct. We did.
So you have to install hash kit because you need to bring the noise level down. There's STC. There's STC for that, and install the hash kit, so the noise level will be actually to the level is acceptable.
Correct.
So
Fly Hong Kong can't fly different countries, they don't allow you to fly.
Yes. So the 2.2 means that if you are doing modification, that modification involve noise, maybe increase the noise, but you have to recertify the noise for the aircraft. But this is very unlikely for our situation here. Noise cert granted by CAAM shall be carried on Malaysian registered aircraft. There are time, it was a time when we did not, there's a case, foreign authority inspector, the foreign authority awareness inspector bought the aircraft because it's part of the IQ convention obligation, and they did not find the noise cert on board the aircraft. The aircraft was grounded for some period until someone telex the noise cert to the country, to the authority. Okay, it means very serious if you don't carry. If the aircraft be inspected by the foreign authority, for example, if you landed in Los Angeles, if the FAA bought the aircraft to inspect the aircraft and they cannot find the noise cert, the aircraft may be grounded there. It's a quite standard requirement throughout the world. They have to carry the noise cert, they have to carry the COA. That is part of the convention. It's higher level requirement, not requirement, which is agreement by the state. Validity: when the ownership of the aircraft has changed but the aircraft remain on Malaysian aircraft registry, the noise cert shall remain valid. A noise cert of an aircraft may be suspended or revoked according with MCA if the aircraft cease to comply with applicable noise cert standards. The noise cert shall cease to be valid when the aircraft is deregistered from aircraft register. Upon suspension revocation of noise cert, the original cert shall be returned to CAAM as soon as reasonably practicable.